Hey guys, we have recently reviewed the Aorus gaming monitor as well as the HP gaming monitor, which you can check out on the channel. Now let's talk about 144Hz gaming monitors, which is available in the mainstream. Now, if you take a look at it, 144Hz monitors are available in 1 MSRT and 4 MSRT. We all know that 144Hz means the refresh rate of the monitor, which means that the monitor's image is refreshed 144 times per second. But have you ever wondered what is 1 MSRT and 4 MSRT? We will talk about that. Well, the MSRT, or the millisecond response time, means that it is the time it takes your monitor pixels to change from one color to another color. Usually this is measured in terms of the pixels going from active to inactive and back to active in terms of milliseconds. So why this is important for you? Well, a lower response time usually means that there is a less ghosting of the image that you see on the monitor, and the more lower the value that you have, the better is the image quality. Now we have the Samsung gaming monitor model C24RG50, which is an 1800R curved VA panel, 144Hz, Full HD, and has a response time of 4 MSRT. And unlike its brother, which is the Samsung C24RG73, which has 1 MSRT and maybe a few little added things. While for 144Hz monitor, it means that each frame will be refreshed every 6.994 seconds, which is a good enough time gap for each pixel to change from one color to another, be it in the case of 4 MSRT, 4 ms response time, or 1 MSRT, which of course in the case of 144Hz monitors. For 240Hz, it's a different story. Now we're talking about the budget CRG50 monitor. It has, like I said before, the 1800R curved VA panel, 3000:1 contrast ratio. It has black equalizer like any other gaming monitors, and yeah, it has FreeSync compatible. And if you see at the rear side of things, the monitor has two HDMI 1.4 and one DisplayPort 1.2 with the headphone jack, and of course the monitor stand, which is a sleek V design designed for basically most of the monitor keyboards and mice to, or rather to have more area room. But this stand just allows the monitor to tilt forward or backward, but you cannot move the monitor left or right, as the stand is fixed, and even height adjustment is not possible in this one. So for the budget gaming segment, the Samsung C24RG50 does a good job, provides a good value, stays with the Samsung's design principles, and we played a few games on it and we found out it's a very sort of a casual gamer type friendly monitor, all-rounder, you could say it like that, because hey, it's curved and it's got a VA panel. So that's it from me, Bilal Munji. If you like this video, please hit that like button, click share if you want to. If you like this video, you should share, and click the subscribe button if you want to keep watching more videos like this. Until then, I will catch you later. Thank you for watching.